how to make Google Chrome search Google India. You may have noticed that google.co.in redirects to google.com. So if you want to continue searching google.co.in, which is for India, I'll show you a couple of tricks. In Google Chrome, you can press on the three dots, go to settings, search engine, let's press on that. Press manage search engine and site search. Here you can add site search with these details. I'll zoom in so that you see. Basically provide a name, shortcut that is quick and easy for you to type in the address bar, and this URL pattern. As we can see, it has google.co.in and this search pattern. So once you add this, then save changes, and to continue using google.co.in, all you need to do is provide the shortcode as a shortcut you've created. And as we can see, now we can say, all right, Google, search using google.co.in instead of redirecting you to google.com. So that's one way. Another way is that you can do something like this. Let's copy the URL pattern here. You can create a bookmark in Google Chrome, add a new bookmark, name it, let's say Google India, and paste that URL. What comes after the equal sign is, let's say, keyword, and let's save changes. Now that bookmark is always available for you. You can press on it and simply change the keyword. So these are the two settings that Google Chrome offers you if you want to continue searching google.co.in. Definitely check out Rank Your Blog, because I'm keeping an updated blog post about this change.